Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm in the greenhouse to pot on my winter lettuces. A couple of weeks ago, I sowed these Winter Imperial lettuces. I think I went a bit overboard. Today, I'm going to take them out of their tray and pot them on. You can sow lettuce straight into the ground outside, but personally, I prefer to sow them in the greenhouse so that they've got a good chance to get established. Sowing them inside means that the slugs and snails that might eat them and destroy them when they're younger don't get a chance to get at them. It means that they are less likely to be susceptible to slug and snail damage. So all we're going to need today are gloves, some pots, and some compost. We're all trying to use a little less plastic these days. If you don't have plastic pots, toilet roll holders make excellent plant containers. They're also biodegradable, so you can pop them straight into the ground and without having to take them out of their container. So I'm going to make a start by filling all these pots. I'm using approximately 9cm pots. I filled them right to the top with compost, made sure I've got plenty ready to go to pop all my lovely lettuces into. And now, I'm going to start taking the lettuces out of their tray. I'm going to start by breaking up the soil at the bottom and then taking each plant by the leaf and popping it in an individual pot. So, we're just going to get our hands under and just loosen up the soil. Take each plant by the leaf. You can see that's a plant there, and that one is a plant there. Take them both by the leaf, pull them apart. You've got two separate plants. Okay, so I've got a clump of a couple of plants here. Pull this one by the leaf, and that separates it from the others with its own little root system. Two plants, seemingly rooted together. Take them by the leaf, pull them apart, you have two plants. The reason we hold them by the leaf is because a leaf can regrow. The stem can't. Once it's broken, it's broken. Make sure you always hold them by the leaf to separate them. I'm not going to worry too much. Lose a couple of these plants, I think I've got enough. So let's get these separated out. Once you've got a lettuce seedling for every pot, take your finger, make a little hole, pop the seedling in and firm around. There you have it, your seedling all planted. So now I just need to do that for all these others. Can be time consuming. This has taken me 10 minutes, but I've still got all these to do. In order to become productive, your seeds need extra room to grow. There's only so much space they have in a seed tray, so it is absolutely vital that you pot on your seeds. So there's just one final thing to do, and that's give them a really good drink. Thank you all for watching. I hope you found my video useful. Please go to my YouTube channel, hit subscribe, like, and leave me a comment in the box below. See you all again soon.